Hey there, plant lovers. Today we're exploring a truly elegant houseplant, the angel wing Miss Mummy Begonia. If you're looking for a plant that brings both beauty and personality to your space, stick around as we dive into its origins, care requirements, and unique traits. Did you know that the angel wing begonias, like the Miss Mummy variety, were originally bred for their striking foliage? Their name comes from the pointed wing-like shape of their leaves, which resemble an angel's outstretched wings. But beyond their beauty, they're also known for being vigorous growers, easily adapting to both indoor and outdoor environments when given the right care. The angel wing begonia group was first developed in the 1920s through careful hybridization of South American begonia species. These begonias quickly became popular for their tall, upright growth and spectacular foliage. The Miss Mummy variety is more of a recent cultivar, beloved for its richly colored leaves and vibrant red undersides, making it a showstopper in any collection. Begonia Miss Mummy is a beautiful cane-type angel wing begonia, sporting dark purple-black leaves with pink, silver dots, and red undersides, creating a striking contrast that makes this plant visually unforgettable. With its tall, arching stems and cascading growth habit, it adds a dramatic yet graceful presence to any indoor space. To help your Miss Mummy begonia thrive, it's important to provide the right balance of light, moisture, and warmth. This plant prefers bright indirect light, as too much direct sunlight can scorch its delicate leaves, while too little can cause leggy growth. It grows best in well-draining potting mix that retains moisture but doesn't stay too soggy, which can lead to root rot. Watering should be done when the top inch of soil feels dry, keeping the soil consistently moist but never overly wet. Since it originates from the warm, humid regions, this begonia thrives in temperatures between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit and loves a bit of extra humidity, making it an ideal candidate for kitchens, bathrooms, or rooms with a humidifier. Regular feeding with a balanced liquid fertilizer during the growing season helps maintain its lush foliage and encourage flowering. If you're looking to pair Miss Mummy begonia with other plants, consider choosing companions that enjoy similar humidity and lighting conditions. Ferns add a soft, delicate contrast to its bold leaves, while caletheas and marantas complement its rich colors with their other striking patterns. In outdoor gardens, shade-loving plants like hostas and impatiens make excellent neighbors, creating a visually appealing, layered effect. One of the most fascinating things about Miss Mummy begonia is its adaptability. While it naturally grows upright, it can be pruned and trained to develop a bushier shape, or even encouraged to cascade in hanging baskets. The begonia is also a great bloomer, producing clusters of delicate flowers under the right conditions, adding even more charm to its already spectacular foliage. With proper care, it can flourish year-round, making it a rewarding plant to grow. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the Miss Mummy begonia serves multiple purposes. As an indoor decorative plant, it brings a touch of elegance to homes and offices, whether placed on a tabletop shelf or part of a larger plant display. It also thrives in shady patios and balconies, where its lush foliage creates a soothing, tropical ambience. Like many houseplants, it contributes to improving indoor air quality by filtering out toxins and refreshing the living space. Its ability to thrive in both pots and hanging baskets makes it versatile, whether you prefer a structured or upright look or a more cascading effect. And that wraps up our guide to the angel wing Miss Mummy begonia. If you're ready to add one to your collection, be sure to give it a right balance of light, water, and warmth, and it will reward you with year-round beauty. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more plant care tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.